In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an application using React Native CLI or the React Native command line interface. So in this tutorial, we're simply gonna use the command line or CLI, not export or anything like that. So in order to use or to create the app, we have to say npx react native and then we say the command. So React Native recommends using npx as the runtime. So this is the recommended way, which npx runs or ships with Node.js. So you must have Node.js installed in your system and have the recommended version for React Native, so of which that you can check in the documentation. Then we're gonna say react-native. So after that we say init for initializing, and then we say the name of the app. In this case it will be typed drawer navigation app. So we're creating an app called typed drawer navigation app. So if you're creating a simple React Native app without TypeScript, this is sufficient. You can simply press enter and go forward with the steps to install your app. But then if you're gonna use TypeScript, that means then we'll have to go with a custom React Native template that has TypeScript already configured. So we simply have to run this flag. We're gonna say --template. So we're telling the command line to use a template, and then after that we have to say the name of the template. So the template that we're looking for is React Native template -TypeScript. And then simply after this we will just press enter. It will ask us if we want to proceed. We're going to say yes, and then it will install the app. So if for some reason this process is failing, you can go and use the old React Native method whereby we used React Native or React Native CLI, React Native-CLI to install the app, or you can uninstall the previous installations of React Native. This is just for a case whereby everything is just filling up and you're not able to install React Native. Let's say you want a different version of React Native. So you can say npx React Native init, the name of the app, and then you can say -- version, and then you can simply place the version that you want of React Native. So that's a case whereby you want a different version. So and just like that, it is done. So there are instructions on how to run the app on an Android emulator. You can simply go to the app, which is gonna say cd typed, and then tab to create, then press enter, we're fully in the app now, inside the app folder. So we can say npx React Native run Android, or to run for iOS, do the same thing, npx React Native run iOS. So the app is fully installed now, and then you can simply run the app. If you enjoyed this video, or you want to see the continuation of this app, do go to my YouTube channel. I will put a link in the description on how to create the typed drawer navigation app. Cool. Have a great one. Cheers, y'all.